We have some big news coming in. Babul Supriyo writes a very cryptic post on social media saying Alvida. He says, join politics as social work. My only party was and is BJP. Not necessary to be in politics to help in social work. In fact, Babul Supriyo currently hinting at quitting politics. Is that why the very cryptic post is our question? Babul Supriyo currently is a sitting MP from Bengal's Asansol. Babul lost Bengal Assembly polls from Tollygunj. Here, Babul Supriyo, who's currently sitting MP from Bengal's Asansol, puts out a very cryptic message there on social media, almost hinting of his retirement from politics. In fact, he's currently a sitting MP, but he recently lost assembly polls from Tollygunj area in West Bengal. Babul Supriyo puts out this message on social media, leaving everyone bewildered about whether he's quitting politics for good. Suryagni joining us for more details on that. Suryagni, over to you. Babul Supriyo, the face of West Bengal for the BJP, now almost puts a very cryptic message suggesting that he might just be quitting politics and continue to do his social work. What does this really mean? Have you got to have a word with him?
Well, Nabila, this comes out as a shocker because Babul Supriyo, even a month back when the elections were, winding up, it was considered that if BJP wins West Bengal, Babul Supriyo might have been either the chief minister or the deputy chief minister. He was a sitting two-time MP who was sitting two-time minister who fought from the Tollygunj seat. However, he lost. So that was his importance. Now, Babul Supriyo, in a very cryptic message, as you have rightly mentioned, he somewhat, it's a very cryptic, but it's a very emotional message as well, Nabila. Now, if you look at the post, it's written in Bengali, Hindi. It starts with the word Chollam, which means I'm going in Bangla, and then he writes Alvida. What he writes in that post is that if you want to do social work, you do not need to be a politician. You don't need to have, you don't need to be a part of a political party. However, what he also mentions is that he's always been a one-team person. He's always supported the BJP, and that is and will be his party forever. But however, he is hinting on some kind of a retirement from politics in this huge post that he has written just a while back. The person we are talking about, Nabila, is Babul Supriyo, not a small leader, nationwide leader. He was a two-time sitting minister.
Well, he is.
So when he resigns,
he still is, not was. It hasn't come out as an official statement as yet, but this is a social media post that he's put out. Suryagni, thank you very much for joining us with all those inputs. Here's Babul Supriyo there, almost hinting at a retirement maybe from politics, but hasn't come out with an official statement as yet.